Hey, what's up? Sam here. You know my job here at Gearbuying is to have fun. Actually, that's not true. Being a videographer, I really spend most of the time just sitting from a computer editing. And for me, I have developed severe pain in my shoulders because I'm working really hard. To alleviate that soreness, my solution was to always wear a Huawei band to remind me to stand up every hour when I'm sitting. I also got a massage gun to massage now and then. But I always feel there's something missing, like when I forgot to wear the band or my massage gun got stolen. Recently, the company provided me with an electric standing desk. You would not believe that this simple stuff has over 19 patented technologies. Now I've been using it for several days. Here's my review. But before we officially get into the review, please show some support for this channel by hitting the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Your support is important to us. Now, move to the desk. I have got to be honest with you, this is my first time to review this type of electric height adjustable desk. So the first thing which came to my mind is it difficult to assemble? Luckily, it's not. From unboxing to fully assembled, it took me about 15 minutes. I guess it wouldn't be a big problem for most people as long as you follow the instructions. To use it, of course, you have to add a tabletop, and that's not included in the box. This is actually a good thing because if the tabletop was included in the price, would be ridiculously more expensive than owning the frame itself. Second, you can always buy a tabletop from IKEA or somewhere to match your home style instead of choosing from limited choices from offset. Anyway, to do this video, I bought another tabletop and installed it. Again, it's not that big of a hassle. For the full assembly tutorial, we made a separate video here. You can check it out if you want. Now, about my user experience with it. On first glance, I was skeptical because it was really budget friendly and free shipping. If you do a bit of a search, you will find these big brands come at a double or even triple the price. But after meeting several hours with it, I absolutely love it. This thing is solid. The max load of the desk is 80 kilograms, and that's a whopping 176 pounds. What a coincidence, I happen to be 83 kilograms. Okay, plus the 5 kilograms tabletop, it's about 10 kilograms more than the max load capacity. A little bit over, but let's test it. It's perfectly fine when I lift myself up and down. The speed is okay too, not too fast or too slow. I also didn't feel vibration or wobbling when I adjusted the desk. Just to show you how stable it is, I put a cup of water here. The water didn't even store much. But most of the time, you probably won't put that much stuff on your desk. So let's talk about the regular user experience. The height of the desk goes from 70 centimeters to 150 centimeters, and the width is between 105 centimeters and 165 centimeters, which means you can put a max 360 centimeters length panel on it. Though I seriously doubt you have such a long tabletop. I think the dimensions meet most people's needs. I'm 175 meters height, and I found the best sitting height is 85 centimeters, and the standing height is 105 centimeters. Speaking of switching from sitting to standing, the desk has one feature that I really like. It has 3 memory buttons. You can adjust to a certain height, press the S button, and then press the numbers that you want to save to. Next time when you feel the need to move, all you need to do is just short tap the number, it will get to the height automatically. Another advantage is its low noise level. It's quiet when you lift up or down. There's also a unique feature that I'm not seeing on other electric desks is the obstacle sensing. If it bumps into any obstacles during descending or ascending, it will stop and go back a little bit. Good to have that, especially if you have kids. I also really like the general aesthetics about it. It's overbuilt and rugged. The thickness of the tube is 2.5 millimeters, and as far as I know, thicker than most others on the market. That explains how it has such heavy load capacity. And if you look closer, it's a seamless tube, so I feel also there's an elegance to it. There are 3 color options you can choose from on Gearbuying. All links are down below. During the test, I didn't find any obvious downsides to it. But finally, let's talk about if these kinds of electric standing desks are worth it or are they just overrated. Sure, if I don't have a standing desk and just use a fitness tracker to remind me stretching or taking a water break regularly, it's good enough. But if I'm deep in some work, standing at my desk lets me stretch my legs and pace around and still keep focused on my work. Even when I'm not working, having a standing desk at home makes it a lot more convenient to jump on and off the computer to change a song, Google something, or watch some videos. And most importantly, I always find lifting or lowering the desk is soothing for me. I like to do that to add something fun to my work. Besides, having one of these in your home really boosts up a sense of technology. Everyone should really try it at least once. So considering all of this, for me at least the standing desk wasn't a fad that I eventually got bored with, and I still very much continue to switch between sitting and standing regularly. Though only after several days with it, I'm definitely an electric standing desk guy now. I will keep using it as my daily office routine. To answer the question I just asked, are electric standing desks worth it? If I had to make the decision today, I'd still definitely spend the extra cash to get another electric standing desk all over again. I hope you enjoyed this video. You know what to do. I'm Sammy, and I will see you in the next video.